Hey guys, it's Jimmy and Steven, and today we're doing a reaction video to the One Man, One Screwdriver video. This one is probably by far the worst reaction video we're ever going to do to. I don't think anything could get worse than this. So, got anything to say? Alright, yeah, here we go.
Oh my god.
Here we go.
Oh my god, no. He's like shitting white. Oh my god, that's so gross. Ew, 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 ew. Oh my god.
Oh my god, dude, I'm dead serious.
Oh,
I can't.
oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh
my god. He shoved it in his urethra. Ew, it is dripping. It is like gushing blood. Oh. Oh my god, there's like a puddle of blood. Oh my. Oh, his shower or his bath is filled with blood. Oh my god, it's over now. His bath was filled with blood.
Don't. Oh my god.
Oh my god, we're never watching that one again. Well, that's the video. I'm not
like
gonna
throwing up.
I'm not gonna shower or sleep for a week.